Are you reading closely and looking? How long is the missing side? Let's underline that. Let's read the details. It says the Home Depot was designing a greenhouse. A greenhouse is a glass house or plastic house that goes outside where you can grow lots of beautiful plants. It says the model of the greenhouse, so the picture of the greenhouse is shown below. And it says if the perimeter, ooh, that's my clue, perimeter goes around the rim, around the rim, around the rim, perimeter goes around the rim, combine all the sides. So that means that to find the perimeter, I need to combine all the sides by adding. So if the perimeter of the greenhouse is 80 feet, let me write that in here so I don't forget that the perimeter is already 80 feet. How long is the missing side? So here's my missing side. I don't know how long that side is. Let's go ahead and start with what I should do first, which is my main idea. My main idea is going to say, how long is the missing side? And to figure that out, since I have to go around the rim, I'm just going to trace and label, starting at the question mark. Trace and label. 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 So I have to put together all those numbers. I actually know what the total is already because they tell me the perimeter is 80 feet, and that is my total if I went all the way around. So let me just put the total at the top. It was 80 feet. Let's see if I can match this up with something on my action poster. So I see that this matches with find a missing part because I have my total and I have some of what goes inside of my strip, but I don't have a part of what goes inside here, and the operation for that is subtraction. So I'm going to write that off to the side so I don't forget. That means that I have to take away what I know to figure out what I don't know. I have to take away 12, 8, I have to take away 6, I have to take away 12, I have to take away 24. But I think it would be a little easier if I put all of these numbers together and then took them away after I put them together. So let's see if I can find some easy numbers to put together right here. Well, I know that 12 and 12 make 24. Oh, I see a 24 here, so maybe I can put together 24 and 24 now. 4 and 4 make 8, and 2 and 2 make 4. It's 48. I see 8 here, so I'm going to cross that out because I know that 8 and 8 make 16. I have to regroup that. And 4 and 1 makes 5. So I have 56. Now I have to put that 56 together with the 6. And I know that 6 and 6 make 12 because they're doubles, and then 5 and 1 make 62. Now a lot of people think that that 62 is the answer and it goes right there, but that's absolutely wrong. So let's go ahead and think about what we had to put together to make the 62. Well, I know we had to use the 24, and we put the 24 together with the 12, and we put it together with the 12, and then we put together the 6 and the 8. So these are all the numbers that we put together to make 62. So from here to here, that dark part is 62. I still don't know how long that missing side is, but I do remember that I put take away, so now I have to take away what I know to figure out what I don't know. So let's take away this dark part, figure out what I don't know. Let's take away 62 from 80, so let's start from 80. So I'm going to come over here and write 80, take away 62, which has more. The top of the floor has more, so I need to go next door and get 10 more. So if I borrow a 10, that means I have 7 10s left, and now I have 10 in my ones. I do have 10 fingers, so 10 take away 2 is 8, and 7 take away 6 is 1. So that means that that missing side is 18 feet. So I need to put that here in my question mark, and I need to put that here in my other question mark. Let's see, and that answer is J.